In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the no audio issue in OBS Studio. So if you've got no audio, follow along. So the first thing that you want to try, make sure that your slider here is all the way up to the top. So if you've got no audio on your desktop, you can slide this to the top. Same with the microphone here. Next, go to the bottom right hand corner to your volume icon on your computer, right click and go Open Volume Mixer. Once you've done that, you can just make sure that OBS is not muted or low. So turn that up all the way. And any games or web pages that you need to record the audio for, also make sure these are turned up as well as your general volume here. You can then go back to OBS Studio and then go and click on Settings. Inside of Settings, you can then go to Audio. And then here you've got your desktop audio device, which will be on default. You can make sure this is not disabled and then change it to your speakers or your headphones if you use them. So whatever you listen to the audio on, change it to that. You can then go to your microphone and change the microphone here if you're having trouble with that. You can then go to Output, change output mode from simple to advanced. And then you can find here streaming or recording depending on what you're having issues. Just make sure that you've got one audio track selected. You need one, you can't have zero. Just make sure there is one selected and then click OK. You can then go to your audio mixer, and then if you click on the settings next to your audio mixer, it will open it. And just make sure that you've got the audio track selected that you had selected before. So I only had one selected, but just make sure there is a tick in the audio track that you had selected before for both audio and microphone. Apart from that, if you're trying to record, I would go to Settings, go to Output and change it to the recording tab and then just choose .mp4. This will give you better audio and may fix your issue as well. But try those fixes, let me know, one of them should work, and thank you for watching.